Let's also, just clarify for all our viewers, a lot of stocks from the PSU basket are actually down in trade today, sir, including names like HUDCO, that's down by almost 9.5% today. MMTC, another stock that's again down by almost 9%. Any particular concerns here, and what should investors do with this kind of a dip coming in?
Yes, actually, in fact, we discussed about stocks like MMTC in your earlier shows also. The momentum is on. The stocks have been rallying on a momentum note because some kind of buying interest has been, trading momentum has been emerged with respect to the public sector undertakings are concerned. So some stocks without any fundamentals also, they have been rallied in the recent rally of PSU stocks are concerned. So there is no need of, I don't find at these valuations any kind of serious investments in these names. This is just a momentum at this point of time. So, one need to exercise strict stop losses when they are chasing any momentum in these names at this point of time, Sakshi.
Okay. There are also
Even
some news flows that let's discuss and let's share with all our viewers. As far as HUDCO or Housing and Urban Development Corporation is done, you rightly pointed out that the stock had been in focus, has run up quite a bit in the recent run-up. The fall today has come in the wake of the government announcing that it would sell up to 7% stake through an OFS at an offer or a floor price of 79 rupees, which is below the current levels as well. And therefore, also you've seen the kind of pressure building up. Under the OFS, the government will offload 7 crore equity shares representing 3.5% of the equity with an oversubscription option of another 3.5%. And based on the base offer the oversubscription option, the government plans to sell up to 14 crore shares as well. So that news also could be behind the kind of move that you're seeing. Even on MMTC, there are news flows that the government may suggest closure of MMTC over lack of investor in OFS. And these are the reports that are being suggested, not any confirmed, news that we have got. But MMTC's unsuccessful offer for sale, there are reports suggesting that they could force the government's hand in seeking the company's closure to the alternative mechanism. The government may suggest closure over the lack of investor interest in the company's OFS, and that's according to news reports as well. What would you make of these news reports, Mr. Bathini, and how would you advise investors to really look at them too?
Yeah, as I mentioned, Sakshi, most of these stocks, especially stocks like MMTC and all, they have doubled in the past 45 days time frame. So some kind of profit booking, what we are witnessing, and also the news what you mentioned about the OFS and all, they are creating pressure at this point of time, Sakshi. These are purely momentum stocks in nature. I don't think so. There are any kind of serious investment opportunities these stocks provide for the long-term investors are concerned.
वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमें लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।